Previously at Europa Park.
On this channel, we really just focus on the thrill coasters at the theme parks. But this video, we want to showcase that Europa Park is the best theme park for families. So on our last video, we covered the thrill coasters. So in this video, we're going to cover the coasters for all the family. And we're going to start off with the best family attraction at Europa Park. Do you know what it is? Is it A, Arthur the Ride, B, Matterhorn Blitz, or C, the Can Coaster? And of course it is Arthur. Yeah. It's Arthur.
There's one for a picture. Honey! Smells like honey.
Who can get the most points on the next ride? Atlantis Adventure.
Ready.
Sure.
Gotta shoot him all. Oh no, oh no. Whoa. We're spinning this way. Kiara won again. Charles proper focusing shooting. The next ride is Matterhorn. Wait, not at Disneyland. Matterhorn Blitz with some scary animatronics.
Sie das strikte Rauchverbot in allen Wartebereichen und in unseren Attraktionen. Vielen Dank für Ihr Verständnis.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Second gear. Second gear. Oh yeah, automatic. It's fine. Ugh. Yeah.
The next ride is Swiss Bob Run, and just look at the theming around this ride. It's just incredible. And well, it's a very special day as it's Kiara's first ever ride.
POV.
Look at her with her hats.
Oh, that's not good. So uncomfortable.
The next ride,
Snorri Tori, a new family ride that explores the world of Rulantica.
where's Kiara gone? I can't. Oh, there she is. Wait, where's she gone? Oh, there she is. Whoa.
Painting a picture.
We loved Rulantica.
Rulantica is about a 5-minute drive from Europa Park, and we gotta say, the theming at Rulantica is amazing. We purchased a evening ticket and the walk park was empty. There was barely anyone there, so we managed to go on every single walk slide and the lazy river. It honestly was so nice just to relax and go on some walk sides. Were actually really good.
He's going to drop a bucket on us. Help! Kiara! Grab my hand! Grab... Look! It's a mushroom! Grab my hand! No, not my foot! My hand!
We had so much fun at Rulantica and maybe had a few cocktails. We were at the water park for so long our fingers got wrinkled, but it was worth it.
Did you enjoy your day at Rulantica today? Very good, wasn't it? Yeah, very good water slides as well.
Alright, so enough talking about water slides. Now let's go on some water rides. So last year, fire broke out at Europa Park. Not blue fire, an actual fire. And it was in the Austria-themed land and it destroyed the Alpine Express and the log flume. But earlier this year it has reopened, so let's go on to this log flume and get wet.
Very squashed on this boat. Smile. Oh my god.
The bag is soaked.
Wow.
We find it all dry pretty quickly.
Yeah. Okay, that's a face full of water just then.
That was only a little drop as well.
That was a little drop, yeah.
You're drenched.
Yeah.
It's cramping.
Is it?
Yeah.
Try and move it a little bit.
There's something in the way though.
That's my foot.
Oh.
There you go.
That's why my feet. It's your feet on both sides. That's why I'm uncomfortable because of you. At least it's cooled me down a bit.
Yeah, it has a little bit, isn't it? I mean, my face is cooled down.
It was all like on this side, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Don't you like the smell?
Yeah, it smells, doesn't it? Oh no, they got it. Oh no.
Oh! It's almost straight in my face.
Oh no. Here comes a big drop.
I feel like I'm laying down.
It looks like it, yeah.
I don't know how I'm going to get. Your hat's so good.
That's fine. Uh-oh. You ready? Not as bad.
I disagree.
You disagree?
Oh, you're going to get up?
Wow. Oi, oi, oi.
Drenched.
Oi, 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 oi. Your handprint?
Yeah.
You only got 4 fingers.
Like that.
Wait for me, Kiank. Whoa. We're in a cave. No pooping in caves, please. Is anyone home?
Wide open.
Oh no. Ah, like a little grotto. Who's that? Who's that?
Okay, so the next ride is Pirates of the Caribbean. Oh wait, I said that wrong. It's Pirates of the Caribbean. Wait, what? That's not it? It's Pirates in Batavia. We were very impressed with this ride. It was very, very nice and very relaxing. And also another thing we were impressed with is the food at Europa Park. Honestly, the food here is so nice. And Europa Park probably has the best theme park food we have ever had. And we ate at the restaurant next to Pirates in Batavia. And well, the ride was broken down. So yeah, we had some behind the scenes of the ride. Look, wow. There is so many attractions at this park. So here's a little montage of some of the other rides so we can keep this video a little bit short, because if not, this video will be probably about 6 hours long and we don't want that. There's a lot of memory on our laptops.
Is it pizza or pretzel? Oh yeah, Linda. Pizza. You got it. Oh. Going to do some cycling. Yeah, go backwards. What happens if we do that? We go slower. Ah, a little boat ride. Go really fast now. Oh!
Now we're gonna see Grandma and her dinosaurs. Oh yeah.
She's got a dinosaur egg as well.
And that is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. It has been an amazing trip at Europa Park. We love Europa Park. There really is stuff for the whole family to do here at Europa Park, from the thrill seekers to the toddlers. But if you are thinking of coming to Europa Park, we do advise coming for a minimum of 2 days. If you have been to this park, comment down below what is your favourite ride here. And like I said, thank you so much for watching. So yeah, thank you and goodbye.